Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher Ummi Habiba. Students, hope you have opened your English classwork notebooks. First of all, draw margin line on both sides. Write in the very first line proverb might is right. Today is Thursday, 25th June 2020. Our English classwork number is 18. Homework is proverbs which is on page number 137, 124. Our writing material is summary, Oliver Twist. Students, this is a very important summary from your exam's point of view. Now I'll read this summary with translation. Now listen very carefully. This story is about an orphan boy named Oliver Twist. ये कहानी एक यतीम लड़के के बारे में है जिसका नाम ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट था. His parents died in his early age. उसके वालिदैन उसकी इब्तदाई उम्र में ही वफ़ात पा गए. He was sent to a workhouse. उसे एक यतीम खाने भेज दिया गया. Where all the boys worked very hard. जहाँ तमाम लड़के बहुत मेहनत करते थे. They were given very little food to eat. उन्हें खाने के लिए बहुत ही कम खाना दिया जाता था. Once Oliver asked for more food. एक मर्तबा ऑलिवर ने ज़्यादा खाना मांगा. It was against the law of workhouse. ये बात यतीम खाने के कवानीन के ख़िलाफ़ थी. As a result, नतीजे के तौर पर he was shut in a dark room alone. उसे अकेले अंधेरे वाले कमरे में बंद कर दिया गया. Next morning, अगली सुबह a notice was pasted on the board. बोर्ड पर एक नोटिस चिपका था. Offering a reward of £5 to the person who would take Oliver as an apprentice. उस शख्स को इनाम देने की पेशकश की गई £5 जो ऑलिवर को अपने मददगार के तौर पर ले जाएगा. So Oliver got rid of that miserable life because of this courageous behavior. चुनांचे ऑलिवर को उस तकलीफ से ज़िंदगी से निजात मिल गई अपने उस बहादुर रवैये की वजह से. Now students will see material for learning exercise ABC lesson number 23 which is on page number 121. Dear students, now open your guided books at page number 121. We'll see exercise. First statement is A. Complete these sentences. Students, these are incomplete sentences. We have to complete this according to our lesson. Number 1 statement is the hare was worried about what would happen to him if the earth was falling to pieces. Number 2, when the coconut fell down, the hare thought the earth was falling to pieces. Number 3, the second hare asked him the reason why he was running. Number 4, when the other hares saw them running, they also started to run. Number 5, then all the other animals also started to run. They all stopped running when the great lion roared 3 times at the foot of a hill. The first hare told the great lion that the earth was falling to pieces. He saw it himself. The lion told the animals that he would go and find the truth about the earthquake. When the lion reached the coconut tree, he put the hare down and asked him to show him the place he was talking about. Then he returned and told the animals that the earth was not falling to pieces and they need not have any fear. Statement. Here are some phrases taken from the passage. Use them to complete the sentences below. You will need to use one phrase twice. On top of, the foot of, to pieces, in front of, close to. Students, these are words which we have to use it according to our sentence statement. Where they are adjustable, we'll add these phrases. Number 1, the cup slipped out of her hand and smashed to pieces on the floor. Number 2, the teacher was standing in front of the blackboard. Number 3, a woodcutter lived at the foot of the mountain. Number 4, they climbed until they were standing on top of the hill. Number 5, they lay down to rest at the foot of a large tree. Number 6, a little stream ran close to the hut. Number C statement, use your dictionary to find the meanings of. These are some words. We have to find these words meanings through our dictionary. Stampede mean bhagdad mat jana, reassurance yakin dehani, assembly ijtama dismissed barkhast kiya. Hope you have fully understand this lecture. In case any problem, you can contact with us. Till then, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.